Hello fun and learning student of class 7th. In this video we will discuss fundamental duties. In previous videos we have discussed the fundamental rights that we have been given as a citizen of India. Now in this video we will discuss fundamental duties. So let's start fundamental duties. Rights and duties are linked to each other. We cannot exercise our rights without fulfilling our duties. So our constitution has put down a list of fundamental duties for us to fulfill. So these are 10 in numbers. That is 10 fundamental duties have been listed in our constitution and have been assigned to us. Now what is your duties? Let's take it one by one. Number 1 is your respecting our national symbols. What is? It is our duty to respect our constitution and the directives laid down by it. We must also show respect towards what? Our national symbols like national flag and national anthem. It is our duty. Number 2, following the noble ideals. What is? There were certain noble ideals that inspired our countrymen during the freedom movement. These were democracy, non-violence and secularism. So these ideas, that is democracy, non-violence and secularism, we are expected as a citizen of India to respect these ideals and apply them in our daily lives. So following these noble ideals is also our duty. Number 3 is your protecting our country. That is, we must protect the sovereignty, unity and integrity of our country. This is our duty. Next is your loyalty towards our country. These are what? Whenever required, we must be prepared to defend our country. We must also serve our country as best as we can in any field of activity. This is the duty that have been assigned to us. Next is your promoting harmony. What is it? We must promote harmony and brotherhood among people, giving up differences that we have based on what? Religion, language and region and so on. So promotion of harmony is a duty. Next is your respecting public property. We must protect public property. We can demonstrate for a cause but must do so in peaceful manner. Public property means whatever belongs to the public, like road, railways, airport. This is your public property. Park. These are public property. So you respect this public property. Next is your preserving and improving our natural environment. So we must protect our forests, rivers, lakes and wildlife from destruction and deterioration. So preservation is also a duty on us. Next is your developing a scientific attitude. What is? We must discard superstitious belief and solve problem rationally. That is adopting a scientific approach, rational approach is also a fundamental duty. Next is your making a better society. So we must try to get rid of harmful social practices such as dowry and gambling. These were much prevalent in the past of our country. So we must get rid of this. So we must try to improve our society by trying for excellence in all spheres of our lives. And we must also respect the dignity of women. So, because if making a better society, we must give respect and dignity to our women. So that in that manner, our society can be better. Next is your preserving our cultural heritage. So we must value and preserve the rich heritage of our country, that is India. So this is your 10 fundamental duties which have been assigned by our constitution. So we have discussed 6 fundamental rights and 10 fundamental duties. So in next video we will discuss citizenship and that will also conclude your chapter. So thank you student. Thank you for that time being. Thank you very much.